Well guys, finally we have reached Kashmir after a long journey और अभी हम देख रहे हैं the place where we are going to stay. So इन्होंने हमें कमरे कुछ दिखाए हैं, not like कमरे, we are going to go for a suite. So let's go and check that suite. Yeah, looking nice. आइए जी देखते हैं कि ये suite कैसा है और फिर आप लोगों ने फाइनल करना है, ठीक है? Yes. आइए जी आप प्लीज हमें ये स्वीट दिखाएं. लुकिंग नाइस, हाँ, ब्यूटीफुल फैंस. यहाँ पे कुछ टेबल चेयर्स भी लगवाए जा सकते हैं. नाइस. सो वाओ, दैट्स लवली. ओके, द फर्स्ट थिंग इज दे हैव वेरी नाइस डाइनिंग टेबल. ओके, एंड अ प्लेस फॉर सिटिंग and a very good view from the window. I wanna show you that. See? Wow, that's the nice suite. What about the bedrooms? Okay, let's take a look. That's cool. This is nice, and again the view from the window is awesome. Okay, let's go to another room. And then we see they've got nice LCDs, but they've got kitchen too. Wow, this is really amazing. Now Shumaila is going to cook for us. Yeah, and Yasin is going to make tea for us. Yeah, we'll have fun. Okay, nice kitchen. Yeah, you can see all cabinets. Good. And the most important thing is window and the view from the window. Whether it is kitchen or bathroom, we've got, that's the refrigerator and it's on as well. Okay, now let's see the bathroom. The most important thing is bathroom. Whenever you find a place to live, wow, lights should be on. Good. All right, not too bad. They've got big geyser. It's really cold in here, so we need that. They have heater in the bathroom. My goodness. Well guys, you can see they have a nice heater because it's very cold here and it snows here as well. That's why they've got heater stuff as well. And again, the lovely thing is the view. Even from the bathroom, you can have a very nice view outside. Okay, shower, and you can see my camera. Cool, nice lighting. That's awesome. Very good. That's it? No, we have two more bedrooms. Excellent. Master bedroom. Let's enter master bedroom. Wow, this is awesome. Very nice. And nice cupboard, huh? That's good. And we do have a nice view. You can see, can I open the window? Oh my god, this is awesome. And heating is working. It's working. Yeah. You can see, it's truly awesome. Very nice one. Let's go to the other room. We have this one. What do they call this room? It's another room. And you can see, Yasin, will you please switch on the light? Good, it's better. And with this room also, we have a lovely view. Oh my god, you know these type of paintings we often see and pictures on internet, we have wallpapers like that. So this is truly awesome. And guys, this place is what they call Jagran Resort in Kutan Colony. Kutan Colony Jagran Resort. Whenever you come to Kashmir, you must visit this place. And let me tell you, the good thing is this whole place is very economical. You will not believe what I'm going to tell you. This place is quite economical. It's going to cost you around like 40, yeah, no, not 40, even 30, yeah, $30. And in Pakistani currency, it's only 4,500 rupees. Oh my god, this is a lovely place. And you can see, you can always come outside. There is a beautiful fence. You can sit there and enjoy the beauty of nature. Yeah, we'll request them to put some chairs. And this place is very well maintained. You can see they are still cleaning and the place is very well maintained. So now we are gonna have our stay here. Come over here. We're gonna have our stay here. So what do you think about the place? Your final verdict. Shall we get it?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Okay. Awesome. What do you think? Shall we get this one? So we are going to get this suite, and the rest of the videos which we are going to make, these videos are going to be from this wonderful suite. Awesome, huh?
Awesome.
Okay. Thank you very much. Aapka naam kya hai? Raja Anwar Saab. Thank you very much. He has shown us all this place and now we are gonna be here. Thank you.